Coco din. Linisan ko pa. Layla, where is your Coco Melon? Oh guys, good morning. Saan si Layla? Ito si Layla guys. Tutulog kasi siya. Panay ikot-ikot muna. Alam nyo guys, nahulog yan si Layla guys kagabi guys. Tulog yan siya, ganyan yan siya tulog. Kahit tulog, panay ikot-ikot, ikot-ikot hanggang sa nahulog siya guys. Hindi napansin yung monitor doon sa labas. Gitnaan ng gabi na sarap ng tulog niya tapos biglang nahulog. Kawawa naman. By the way pala guys, ngayong araw is pupunta kami ng Momba. So, titingnan namin doon guys. Mama-share kami doon sa Momba. First time ko rin makapunta doon. Tapos first time din ng ni Layla. Right, Layla? Patulogin ko muna siya guys. And then, yan, naglalaro pa siya. Padidiin. Layla! You drop a lot. You drop a lot, Layla. Look at that. pag-parking na. Puno. I hope we can find. Puno. Kumain si Laila, guys. Ang damit niya, guys. Buti may dala ako mga blanket, guys. So dito ko siya nilinisan. Andun tinapon na yung, oh my god. So alis na kami, guys. Punta kami doon sa festival. Full siya. Dito na yung partner ko. Let's go, guys. Dito na kami. Nantay ko lang yung partner ko nagtapo ng napi. Tae nila. Di pwede dito sa sasakyan kasi mga moy siya. Ang dami, guys, tao. Oh,
He jumped and fall off.
what's one? Ang dami tao, guys. Laila! She's quiet now. She's clean. Oh, look at this one. Maybe donation. That's donation? Charity. Ang daming tao, guys.
Oh, look at the bucket.
What is one hand?
They advertise.
Ano mo, guys? Sabi. Daming tao. Busy, guys. Napaka-busy. Oh my God, we're busy.
To front with now, here's the ski line. Ski line 360 and well, he needed that ski line home and he probably had a couple of ski line 5s and a ski line back to follow and
It's one of those, isn't it? He's good, but not great, unfortunately for Archie.
Deep one?
He's a reasonable straw, but he's not the big burst on the straw he's looking for.
nobody's maxing out.
The pressure, maybe, the pressure of the final.
Pablo Thorne for 10,000 point trick at 8,180. Patrick Chris capable well above the 6,110.
So young. You don't die?
Service back now. Quickly rubbing into a 5. There's a toe 360 now. Toe weight 360. Toe line 360. Toe line back. Watch this next one, folks. A toe line 540. Big points there. Toe line back to back. Oh, is there no stopping this little kid? And look at his little arm go up there. It's as tiny as you like. He's as tiny as you like, but he has just piled on a massive toe pass, and if he can back that up with a hand pass, he's got a big chance to take out the Moomba Masters trick round for 2022.
Well, that's some real hot stuff from Chile there. Ty Gonzalez, he comes up with magnificent toe pass.
Laila!
We see him under the Swan Street Bridge. If he can back it up with a decent toe pass, he is going to take the lead here, folks. Before he heads out.
Maraming tao, guys.
The
Grabe.
girlfriend's nearly there, just taking those headphones off. At the last possible moment, he dunks in the water. And, over the last couple of years, he's been the uniform 50 of World Water Team. He was one.
Okay, good for Laila. Look, this one. I ride that already. It's not scary.
Look, the chair up high.
And why there's police there?
Maybe somebody, one kid missing. And look, the chair up in the air.
One day, Laila. This one, girly. not crying.
Not crying, tired. Look,
Tired.
Layla, really tired. Look, look,
We're trying to angle our way.
Oh. So
It's
she will.
not good for Layla.
Hmm?
But we just can't have a look.
Let people.
Maybe only stay 1 hour.
1 hour.
Good for Layla. Because nothing for Layla.
Nice area here. Look at that. Ang init guys. Kaya uuwi na kami. Hindi masyadong ma-enjoy. Super init. Dami tao eh. Mas maganda siya paggabi. Mas makadaan. Ano pa ako? Ha. Init, maraming tao. What is that, huh? You want ice cream? Ang dami, guys. Tao, guys. Kami sa other side.
Crazy spinning roller coaster. It's spinning really
Dami tao.
happy snap for crazy.
Ito, guys. Momba.
Ja, ze hadden maar een trekje weer niet.
I'm very old with the kid.
Kami, guys. Sobrang init. Dito kami nakapark. Side hand. Kami, guys. Wait na. Saglit lang, sobrang init. Dito siya. Ang ganda dyan. Diyan kami galing. Sorry. Hi guys, uwi na kami guys. So uwi na kami guys kasi sobrang init guys. Mga 2 hours lang kami doon. Ikot-ikot lang kami tingin sa competition. So si Layla, yan naka-change na yung kanyang damit kasi kanina grabe, tumae siya na anuhan yung tae niya. Yung damit niya na anuhan ng tae. So yun guys, yung partner ko bumili ng kakainin namin kasi gutom na. So ilipat ko si Layla doon guys kasi nagpadidi ako. So nagpadidi ako si Layla dito. Ilipat ko na siya pagdating ng partner ko. Layla, right? Ang kulit-kulit nito. Guys, dito na kami sa bahay guys. Tuwa siya. Dito na kami sa bahay. Nandito na sa bahay si Layla. First time yung nagpupo lang marami doon sa biyahe. Ano? Andun yung partner ko guys. May ginagawa ulit. So, yan. dito ko na lang guys tapusin yung ating vlog na galing sa festival. What? Oh, what? You want me to carry you? You are so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. Masaya na yan siya guys kasi nakatulog na. You're so cute. So cute. You're so cute. Tingnan niyo yung balat ko guys. Sa kay Laila. Buyag-buyag lang. Ting! Buyag-buyag kayo. Laila! Tawagin niyo siya.